Lemonaid Pharmacy Honest Review. Watch before using. So Lemonaid Health is an online healthcare platform that provides telemedicine service, prescription medication, and mail order pharmacy service. It allows users to consult doctors online for various health conditions, including mental health, sexual health, and primary care, and also receive prescription delivered to their doorsteps. And here are the key features about this platform. So online doctors consultation, so video or text-based medication consultation are available on this platform, and also prescription and mail order pharmacy, which is a medication shipped directly to the customers. It's also available on the platform. Offer treatment for anxieties and depression is also available, which is a mental health service. They also provide a flat fee pricing, which is transparency and avoidable price for consultation and prescription. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, convenient online healthcare service from home, and also quick and easy prescription delivery, and with avoidable consultation fee, and also simple user friendly platform for booking appointment. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the cons. It does not accept insurance for mail order prescription, and also have limited medication consultation, limited medical condition covered, not suitable for emergencies. Also, limited medical conditions covered, not suitable for emergencies. Some user report delay in medication delivery, and not all prescriptions are available through the services. And here the conclusion about this platform. Lemonaid Health is a great option for quick, affordable, and convenient healthcare consultation and prescription refills. However, the inability to use insurance for mail order prescription and limited treatment scope may not make it the best choice for all patients. So if you need urgent care, insurance coverage, or broader treatment option, consider alternatives like Goodrex, Amazon Pharmacy, or local pharmacy.